Well, this morning is pretty, I haven't run this for about 3 weeks. I'm going to see how we do as a cold start. Because, I mean, this is like cold. I haven't tried to turn it over in, as my daughter would say, 5 ever. So, let's see how my fuel injection does on a cold startup after being ignored for a couple, like forever. So, all right, let's see what we got. We got fuel pump. We got this. Okay, here we go. This is a Sniper EFI cold start. There we go. Oh, come on, man. What you doing? Little cam, but I guess I'll have to work on that a little bit, but you know. There's a dash. Oh, that's not what I want. I don't know why the map reads. That's weird. We'll have to figure that out. Alright, let's back this puppy out and get on with what we gotta get done. Which is put Christmas items up in the attic. Alright. I think that's as far as we're gonna go. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.